Okay, so I'm recording now. Anyway, so we're going to learn about properties of negatives. So let's begin. We've got negative 3 times 5 minus 2 plus 3. Okay, now let's do the distributive property and get all these out of the parentheses. So we got negative 3 times 5 times negative 3 times negative 2. Wait a second. What? Okay, this is a negative number multiplied by a negative number. How am I supposed to do that? Alright, so in real math you can't have a negative sign and a positive sign next to each other just by themselves without numbers or letters next to them. But this is a model. This is not actual expression or anything. So just making that clear. So let's begin. This is the idea of this represents a number. So I put parentheses around it. This means they're being multiplied. You don't have to have parentheses. It's just there because it's cool. So negative number times a positive number equals what? Well, it equals a negative number. I can put parentheses around that. That's okay because it's just what it is, and it also makes it look like it looks better next to that equal sign. So you got a positive number times a positive number. That will always, always equal positive number. And 3 times 4 always equals 12, and never equals negative 12. It's just how it goes. Basically, negative sign times positive sign always equals a negative sign. Just how it works. Negative sign times negative sign, here's the thing. It always equals a positive sign. So negative times a positive equals a negative. Positive times a positive equals a positive. Negative times a negative equals a positive. And since the rule of, I forget the name of the rule again. I forget this rule all the time, but it doesn't matter which order you multiply things in. I need to look up that rule's name sometime. That'd be helpful. But basically, it says that you don't have to. It doesn't matter what order you multiply things in. So it could be a positive number times a negative number, or a negative number times a positive number. It still gets you a negative number. So that's basically how it goes. And so, yeah.
Push-ups for math. Alright. Here we go.
I did it. Wait, stop recording. Alright, so anyway, I'm recording again, and basically, the thing is that, say you want to remember these things. This is hard to remember. So, I have a list of 4 scenarios, and I have a little thing to remember. My dad just told me this, and I think it's really cool. So, here's how we're going to remember it. Okay, so a good thing happening to a good guy is a good thing. This is some little analogy. A bad thing happening to a good guy is a bad thing. Something good happening to a bad guy is also bad. And a bad thing happening to a bad guy is a good thing. And that's how you remember it. Alright, sweet. Now, next step, we're going to analyze this. Alright, in a moment. I'm playing basketball. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take that distributive property and figure it out again. So let's get right into it. So we got negative 3 times parentheses 5 minus 2 plus 3. Alright, so here we go. Here's how it goes. We've got negative 3 times 5 and plus negative 3 times negative 2 plus, actually, minus 3 times 3. Okay, so this is a bad thing happening to a good guy. That is bad, so that is negative 15. This is a bad thing happening to a bad guy. That's good. So that would be plus 6. And this is a bad thing happening to a good guy. Actually, you could flip it around. It could be plus 3 and negative 3. So that would be a good thing happening to a bad guy, which is also bad. And so, basically, negative 15 minus 9 plus 6. That is actually, let me think about this for a moment. That is 18. Negative 18. You can check me on that. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. So, anyway, if I'm wrong, leave a comment below saying I was wrong and that I'm a terrible person. No, actually, don't say that. But say that, make a correction. Respectful correction, please. And anyway, that's about it. Actually, I think it might be 108. Yeah, I think it's 108. So, alright, so that's about it. And, okay, just a moment.